welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you guys can see, is packing. I have my suitcase over here and I'm on the floor literally getting ready to be stressed out because I don't know what to take. So it's Thursday today. We leave to my parents' house tomorrow because we are leaving to Mexico on Saturday, and my parents live 7 minutes away from the airport. So we're gonna go ahead and spend the night at their house. Honestly, I don't even know what to pack, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a clip where I tried starting to pack, whatever. And that was last Saturday, and today's Thursday. I didn't pack at all. Okay, so I'm starting to do laundry, and I have like a ton of gym clothes that I just washed right now, and it's literally all over the floor just because I don't like to dry my leggings. And I was trying to go through all my workout clothes before washing because then I feel like I tend to use the same one. So I have all this on the floor. I feel like I do need to take a couple of leggings. So please excuse my laundry room. As you guys can see, it's pretty just like everywhere. So I have my summer dresses down here because I never really moved them upstairs just because I had my winter clothes upstairs. And then with the whole coronavirus, I haven't really gone anywhere. So my summer clothes is mostly down here. And then I have some shorts up at the top. So I kind of need to figure out what I'm going to take, what I need to wash just because it's been down here. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. It's just my washer over here. But I need to figure out what I'm going to take. So I was thinking about like just taking some summer dresses, but honestly, my husband was telling me that I do need to take some jeans just because we're going to a smaller town in Mexico. Honestly, guys, I'm not even sure what to expect because I heard it's small, and then if we want to go to like the bigger town, it's kind of 20 minutes away. So like if we're sightseeing, I'm gonna wear like a cute dress, but I think if we're on his town, I'm gonna be wearing jeans. I'm really not sure. So it's Saturday. I am starting to do laundry. We don't leave until next month, but honestly I need to just start going through my laundry, figuring out what I'm gonna take. Okay guys, as you guys can see, I still have like my winter clothes up here. Like I have these long sleeve shirts. I never like really moved up my summer clothes up here. So all my summer dresses are downstairs like you guys saw. So I'm gonna have to go head down to the basement and see what I can bring. Okay, so I figured the easiest way to go about this is go downstairs and pull everything that I think I might need. And I'm gonna go from there, guys. So this is what I came up with. So it's been over an hour and I've literally took like a 20-minute break because I'm just so frustrated. I don't even know what to take. My nail just freaking broke. When I think about going on vacation, I usually just think about shorts, floral dresses, and skirts, all that. But my husband did say I need to take jeans, which I didn't really want to because one, jeans are like super heavy, and two, I overpack. I know I overpack for a fact. Do I need 10 pairs of something? I don't know, 10 pairs of shorts? No, probably not. I probably won't wear them. But I'm always like, what if I do need them? But I'm always stressing, what if I run out of clothes, blah, blah, blah. So I did message my mom and asked her for some advice, what she thinks I should take. And then my cousin, I also messaged her, and Nena, you weren't that much of a help. You basically told me, take a little bit of everything. Which I guess it's like, make sure you take this. I don't know. Her answer was very broad. But yeah, so I guess I'll listen to her and take a little bit of everything. But my mom did recommend I take some sandals, like flip-flops, because I wasn't going to take that. She told me to take an umbrella, which I don't think I'm going to take because I don't think I have one. And she told me to take a hat. She didn't tell me to take a scarf. I can't think of the name in Spanish, but she basically told me to take a scarf that you're able to cover yourself with. So if we're outside and all the mosquitoes, or I don't freaking know, but basically that's what she told me to take. Okay, so since my husband said I needed to take jeans, I told him I would take like 2 pairs of jeans, and he looked at me like I'm crazy. So now it looks like I'm taking all these. So we have 7 pairs of jeans. We have 3 lighter ones, 2 dark ones, and a medium wash. So now that I have 6 pairs of jeans, I basically need 6 pairs of tops, which I have not decided on. So I'm gonna take 4 pairs of leggings. And I'm taking a black pair because you can never go wrong with the black pair. And then I'm taking these 2 pairs of leggings. They're both from 90 Degrees, which I actually love. The material is so soft. And I feel like the colors aren't too bright. They're not crazy. And they're also not black. It's just a dark gray and a dark, like, teal. So I'm going to take those. I was going to take these cropped ones. They're black and blue. But I think I'm going to... This is going to be my maybe pile. So if I have to pull stuff out of my suitcase, this is something I will pull out. That didn't sound right. Anyways, you guys know what I mean. Oh, so this is what my mom told me to take. It's just a scarf, but the way she described it, I can't think of the name in Spanish. But she basically told me you want to take something to cover yourself with, just in case you guys are outside having some sort of like bonfire and you want to cover yourself so the mosquitoes don't get you. That's basically what she said. So I am taking 2 sweatpants. Why? If I already have leggings, I don't know, but probably just to sleep in. I should probably take some shorts too. I don't know. If you didn't see my video on my Walmart jogger pants, you should definitely check them out. These are the ones I have. They're super comfortable. Like, my suitcase is going to be like such a big mess. And then I'm taking a couple of these cute dresses that I bought, especially for my trip. So I got this romper. Can you guys see it? Got this romper at Ross for $10.99. If you guys don't shop at Ross, you guys are missing out because Ross always has some really good deals. I also got this cute dress. $11, guys. So it was only $7.99. It's a cute romper. I got it from H&M. And these are only $17, $16.99. Okay, so I'm trying to decide if I need more dresses or do I need shorts? Do I need shirts? Like, I don't even know what to take. Like, this is literally my view right now. Like, everything's a mess. I have a pile of clothes over there. I have clothes that I'm going to wash. That's my scarf because I don't like how it smells. My hair is over there because I'm going to figure out if I need to take extensions. And then I have my tripod over here and I have this light so you guys can see me. Like, everything's a mess right now. And I'm so exhausted already. Like, I don't even want to pack. Okay, so next we're going to move on to shorts. These are the shorts I picked out from downstairs. Do you guys think I have a lot? Because at first I didn't, but now I'm kind of thinking I do. So now I have to decide which ones I'm going to take. So I'm over here packing these shorts, and I just realized that I need to make sure I have a shirt that matches them. Use my rug. I obviously need a vacuum, and it's kind of dirty. But, so this is the bag I was telling you guys I'm going to take. I got this backpack at TJ Maxx for $30, and then basically what I'm gonna have here is just like my camera stuff, but I have my camera, my wallet, and then I have my tripod, and then I'm not gonna take all of these, but I am gonna put some in my backpack. And then I have this little case for my camera, and that's pretty much basically what I'm gonna take in here. My wallet, obviously. And then I'm going to take, like, my phone charger and my watch charger and, like, my earphones. So that's the stuff that's going to be in here. But that's pretty much what I'm taking. So if on my way back I have to stuff it, it's fine. Okay, so for purses, I'm going to take this Kate Spade one. Just because if we go somewhere nicer, I want to have a nicer purse. And then I think I got this one from Ross. I think it was like about $10. So this one's just like, so a very casual purse, I guess. I got this one at TJ Maxx for $20. So it's just a cute little fanny pack. So if we go somewhere and I don't want to carry a whole bunch of stuff, I'm just going to go ahead and throw like my money in there and my phone. I like to put these fabric sheets in my luggage just because it makes my clothes smell good. But basically this is what I have. So I have my extensions right here. Taking my hair straightener and dry shampoo because I obviously don't wash my hair every day, so I feel like I'm going to need this. And then over here I have my shampoo and conditioner. I got these at Walmart for $1. And then I am basically trying to pack exactly what I need. So I have this little face wash so I don't have to take my big one. And then I have like my skincare stuff that I use at night. And then over here I have my makeup. I'm just trying to take basically just what I need because I feel like I already have a lot of stuff and I'm starting to get overwhelmed. I need to figure out what brushes I'm going to take, and I'm basically just going to keep it very simple. So we're going to go ahead and weigh my suitcase. I have all my clothes basically that I'm going to take. 32, yes! So I still have a lot more room for other stuff. 58. What? What do you mean 58? Are you serious?
You can't go.
Tom, I'm not going, Tom.
I'm just kidding, it's 32.
32 pounds, so I still have a lot more room. Packing, I have my luggage that weighs about 37 pounds and the limit is 50, so I think I should be good. My main concern is basically just making sure I am able to bring souvenirs for my family. And then I have this carry-on and it weighs about 21 pounds, which doesn't really matter as long as it's small. Like, I know I've used this one as a carry-on, so I know I'm fine with that one. Look at my husband's bag. His is like so organized. Mine is literally just like everything's like thrown in there. And I forgot to mention we are taking like Lysol wipes, hand sanitizer, our mask, everything, just to be on the safer side. I am planning on disinfecting our seats before we sit down and all of that. And then we got these masks at Old Navy, and I thought they were actually pretty nice. I like how the material felt, and then they have really neutral colors, which I like. I almost feel like if Kanye had masks, this is basically what they would look like, except instead of being $12, they would probably retail for way, way, way more. Hey guys, so we're on our way to Des Moines, and we have Tom over here. Tom, good boy. We're gonna go ahead and drop him off at the dog sitters, and yeah, I hope you guys like this crazy video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you guys watch my next video, which will be us in Mexico, so you guys can see some of the things that we'll do. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Thank you. Okay.